Subtracting polynomials is the exact same as adding polynomials, but there is one exception. When we subtract a polynomial, the exception is the parentheses, and the parentheses does make a difference. Up here it says to subtract. You want to get rid of the parentheses by distributing a -1 to everything in the second set of parentheses and then combining like terms. It's like going back to your rules of integers. -6 minus -5. Well, change that to addition and change the sign. Or it's the same thing as saying -6 and the opposite of -5 becomes -6 plus a +5. -6 plus 5 is -1. So go back to your integer rules. So we're still going to be combining like terms. Our coefficients are going to change, but our exponents will not change. So the first thing I'm going to do is get rid of my parentheses by distributing this negative to all of the terms in the second set of parentheses. So this becomes plus a positive 11a squared and minus 6b to the third power. And then I'm going to bring down my first polynomial, so 6a squared minus 8a plus 12b cubed. Didn't give myself enough room. Okay, so parentheses are gone, and I'm going to start combining like terms. Now in this problem we've got A's and B's, so again I'm going to start with largest degree and alphabetically. So I'm going to start with my a squared, and I'm going to look, do I have any other a squares? And I do. So 6a squared plus 11a squared is going to combine and make a 17a squared. Okay, so then next I'm going to go to my A's. So I have a -8a, and do I have any other A's? No, I don't. So I'm going to bring that down. And then next I'm going to go to my B's, and so I have a b cubed. So I've got a 12b to the third power and a -6b to the third power. Those are like terms. And so when I combine them, that's going to combine to a plus 6b cubed. So we have combined our like terms. Our final simplified answer is 17a squared minus 8a plus 6b to the third power. So let's take a look at the next example. So here, again, I'm going to distribute my negative. I'm going to start by bringing down my first polynomial without my parentheses, so 7a minus 10b. Then this becomes minus 3a minus 4b. And so now I'm going to combine my like terms. So my a's will go together, my 7a minus 3a. 7 take away 3 is 4a. And then negative 10b and negative 4b is going to combine and make a negative 14b. All right, so let's have a you try and see how you do. So negative 4k to the fourth plus 14 plus 3k squared minus negative 3k to the fourth minus 14k squared minus 8. All right, so see how you can do on this one.